The affair of Count B and his crew, and the war with the king's array, and the barricade at Marsac. I have heard well how all this grew, but I have not yet heard men say why one so worthy and so chief lets the monks slay without relief. Those of St. Chafffer, so I leave the fray, for right finds no shelter in any way, with laymen or with clerks, so fiercely greed pursues them in the dark. Has taken the house away from cameliers without right, and the monastery casts down its light. The abbot is in care and the convent too, for a disloyal man throws them out of their due. Houses with no reason one can say, for since St. Chafffer passed away, no man so foully invaded by night or day the monastery nor the wilderness. See if this to God is pleasingness. Instead of a procession's gentle air, they will go back tight and crowned together, armed in the heat and the cold weather, trumpeting instead of chanting prayer. But anger makes me laugh, I swear, for the royal household ought to be so rare that it might take away that martyrdom's care. Holds not the rich man's right, let him never hold the beggar's plight, for right is nothing but will's own flight, when greed twists it out of sight. Trebuchet and great comparison or gentle prayers, nor the rule of Saint Benezet will avail them, but Hawberk and Gambison and those who used to sing and say the epistles and the missals as they may will hurl stones from the walls without delay, and where the psalter was kept in its array they will bring maces and pickaxes into play, and whoever was once a monk from this day, let him stand armed and hardened, if he would be a true monk undeterred. Yet men will see a time, I say, when the world will have no law, and clerics will go to the tourney's jaw, and a man will have no one to hold at bay, unless he is fiercely disloyal, and he who plays the traitor and boss will be master always, and when God is a friend he will not find a place to stay, so the world will be hardened in its ways, and everywhere will be none right's maze. Our clergy are accustomed to say of old that robbing another's house and fold was a deadly sin, as they have always told, and they have robbed Saint Gar, behold, and they say in their preaching bold that a man should love his enemy, but to us sight shows most plainly in them there is another will most cold.